If you want to be able to shoot fast and accurately, I got a secret tip for you in just a minute. But first, let me remind you, we got that gun giveaway going on. It's happening right now, but it ends really soon. All you got to do is click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. All right, recoil control is about body mechanics, and we all know about the master grip on your gun. You're holding it with your strong hand, you're wrapping your other strong hand around the front to control that gun. But if you tilt your hand a little bit forward, this makes a biomechanical lock in your forearm, and it helps you to control recoil. That muzzle is not going to climb as much when you roll that forward and you hit the trigger rapidly. Now, I'm using UTM rounds. There's not a lot of recoil here, but I'm reducing it to almost nothing. With a standard 9mm, you're going to be on target very quickly. Remember, biomechanical locks, they work really good to keep you on target. Want to know when it's legal to draw your gun? Click the video right next to me to reveal a detailed explanation from a former police officer and competitive shooter.
Let me give you a definition of lethal force. Lethal force is any force that would cause death or great bodily harm.